Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and this is Rovelyn again. If you missed the brilliant display of northern lights on May 10th, you may have another chance to see them if it's not cloudy tonight. The sun produced a strong solar flare on May 29th, according to NASA, which I googled it, which was classified as X1.4. This CME flared out from active region 3697 for about an hour on Wednesday morning, according to NASA, and is expected to reach Earth starting Friday afternoon, continuing through early Saturday morning. So what are you waiting, guys? Pack up, get ready for a stunning display of northern lights tonight. Have fun watching, and I can't wait to see your videos. Enjoy!